Generative AI. Generative AI has transformed the world around us. The following spheres have been gradually altered by Gen AI. 1. Product marketing. 2. Text-to-speech. 3. Video editing. 4. Research. 5. Robotics. 6. Machine learning. 7. Healthcare services. 8. Voice assistance technology. 9. Intuitive technology. The workplace in South Africa and the entire planet has changed. There is a huge drive for integration of traditional technology, commerce, and generative AI education for employment relevance. As a technology training institution of choice, Mentec Foundation has partnered with Accenture to introduce entry-level generative AI courses using the Skills to Succeed Academy. The Skills to Succeed Academy, commonly referred to as S2S packages, generative AI courses in an easy step-by-step process accessible using mobile phones and computers. The beauty about S2S is the fact that it is free for everyone in South Africa, and the entire world.
Hi, I'm Ritendo, and I'm a Skills to Succeed Academy learner, and I have done the Generative AI course. I have learned that as the world, we are blessed to have the AI into our hands, as it is a powerful tool. But you know what they say, with great power comes great responsibility. I am referring to the importance of privacy, not to share sensitive or confidential information with the AI. Doesn't matter the platform or the type of AI. In addition, there is what we call prompting. Do give specific questions and instructions to the AI so you can get specific response. Thank you.
Hi, my name is Grace. I did Gen AI board game. On the board game, I learned a lot of things that were very insightful. I learned that you can generate content using videos, images, and text using generative AI. I also learned that with generative AI, you can create avatars. There are many things that we can now achieve using generative AI. I think this is going to change the way things are done because everything can now be easily generated using generative AI. In addition, generative AI gives you information based on patterns that it studies. Generative AI may sometimes give you information that is not always accurate, but it tries to actually give you information that's almost 90% accurate. So most of the time, generative AI is correct when it helps you generate information, or even when it helps you create things using generative AI.
Hi, my name is Lebogang Matala, and I did the introduction of generative AI from S2S Academy. Firstly, let me start by explaining what artificial intelligence is. Artificial intelligence refers to the machine's ability to perform human tasks, which under it we have generative AI. There are many different types of generative AI which can perform assignment, task, videos, advertisement, etc.
Hi, my name is Kosnasi Mabayo. I did the Gen AI and the prompts as my second course. The introduction of Gen AI and the second module, which is the prompts, how to prompt the Gen AI. I basically understand now what the AI does and how to use it effectively and how to prompt it to get better results. I learned that AI can be used for basically everything, and that there are different types of AIs which can generate images, videos, and something that can personalize human. I've also learned that they use a certain software to mimic the humans on how the humans act and how the Gen AI uses that to make or to humanize the answers or responses. I understand that now you can type in or prompt the way you want your AI to respond to get the results that satisfy you and the ones you need. On the second one, which is prompting, it is very insightful and very helping so that you can understand how to use and basically how to how to write, and it also teaches you about the privacy, that you mustn't put your information out there on the AI, and you must use it effectively, not for bad stuff. Thank you.
A drive around robotics and a drive around new digital marketing strategies. The job market has changed. Africa has changed. We are looking for new opportunities. Mentec Foundation has introduced Skills to Succeed in partnership with Accenture. And the reason for this is to bring courses like generative AI to young people. If you look at the work environment, we are looking for new skills, new talent, and in order for us to become the supplier of choice when it comes to employment creation, we had to embrace the new technology. What Accenture did with S2S is to simplify generative AI courses by ensuring that, the platform is embedded with videos and content for young people to start learning. But with that in mind, with that said, it means that when we train a new pool of young people, in as much as there's still an interest in data analytics, interest in programming, interest in networking, we still have a number of employers now looking at Gen AI as the new set of skills that they are exploring in terms of job creation.